Hey guys, I'm stumped. My bike just isn't starting up right now. It's making a weird noise. People are saying it's the ECU. I think it could be the throttle positioning sensor. I already know that's low, but I need it to be running to actually do that throttle positioning sensor, from what I've been told, to adjust it. And the battery is good, the fuses are good. Yeah, I don't know what it is. You're going to hear this noise and you're going to see all the codes right now. So if anyone knows what it is, just let me know. And those are all the codes, and I can tell my throttle positioning sensor is already low because I see it's like not in the middle, it's down below, so that's an issue. But yeah, just have a listen again. Like, I have no idea what this is, and it just will not start. So if anyone has any idea what it is, just let me know, because yeah, it's in dealer mode. I already checked all the wires in the ECU. They're pretty good, but I've been told the ECU could be fried. I had this is my alarm. Fuses are good. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. If you can help me, that would be great.